Hello everyone, today we will learn this easy hijab cutting and stitching step by step. So if you are first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. All measurements are written on the screen. As you can see, almost 1.5 meter fabric or yards fabric you need for this project. So that's how you have to take your measurement for your head. And this is the front piece that I'm going to cut here. This is 5 inch this way and 9 inch the lengthwise, and then my fabric is on 2/4. So see, after marking this line, this is basically a headpiece for my hijab. So here I will cut on this line. So see, after cutting, this is something like this. Now for folding the edges, you can use simple machine. Just turn the edges and fold it, or I'm using here the serger for the more neat result. And my fabric is stretchy fabric. See, I just mark here the center for this headpiece. Now I'm going to attach this center with the center of my hijab, something like this. Pin up it and all the way pin up properly first, and then go to the sewing machine and just stitch here. See, something like this. Now we will stitch a top stitch just to make it more smooth. So now I'm just stitching here a top stitch. Guys, if you are first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and you can see a complete playlist on my channel for beginners. See, that's how. Now I'm marking here 10.5 inches and then stitch the rest of the piece. See, something like this. Our easy hijab is ready, and you can see how long it is. Now it's time to stitch the hemlines. Here you can attach any lace or ribbon, but I'm using here rolled hem. Thank you.